Why is humidity important for a child's cough? Imagine a child coughing and feeling uncomfortable because the air around them is dry. Humidity plays a vital role in helping manage that cough by making the air moist and soothing. When the air is dry, especially during cold months or when indoor heating is on, it can dry out the lining of the throat and airways. This dryness can cause irritation and make coughing worse. Adding moisture to the air helps keep these tissues moist, which can reduce irritation and make breathing easier for children. Moist air helps loosen mucus that might be stuck in the airways, making it easier for children to clear their lungs. This can lessen the frequency and severity of coughs. For example, using a cool mist humidifier in the child's room or sitting with them in a steamy bathroom can provide relief. These methods add gentle moisture to the air, soothing irritated airways and helping mucus move more freely. Drinking warm fluids like tea or broth can also relax the vocal cords and thin mucus, further easing coughing. Maintaining the right level of humidity is important. Experts recommend keeping indoor humidity between 35 and 50%. If the air is too dry, it can cause more coughing and make breathing difficult. On the other hand, if the air is too humid, it can promote mold growth and worsen allergies or respiratory irritation. So, using a humidifier properly is key. It should be cleaned regularly to prevent mold or bacteria from building up, which could cause more problems. Supporting a child's recovery also involves keeping them well hydrated. Drinking plenty of fluids helps thin mucus inside the airways, making it easier to cough up or clear out. Nasal saline sprays can target nasal passages directly, providing extra moisture where it is needed most. Remember, humidifiers and moisture are supportive tools. They do not treat the underlying cause of the cough, such as a virus. If a cough persists or worsens, or if other symptoms like difficulty breathing or high fever occur, it is important to seek medical advice from a healthcare professional. In summary, humidity is important for a child's cough because it keeps the airways moist, reduces irritation, and helps loosen mucus. Proper use of humidifiers and maintaining a balanced indoor humidity level can make your child more comfortable and support their recovery from common respiratory illnesses. Always consult a healthcare provider for personalized advice, especially if symptoms are severe or ongoing.